WeChat makes file transfer easy with its image and video support on both phones and computers. To prevent data loss, backing up WeChat media is key. In this video, we'll show you how to back up WeChat files on Web WeChat, so you can access and use them on your computer without worry. Part 1. Why you need to back up WeChat media files. Expired files. WeChat media can expire and become inaccessible after a set time. Deleted files. Clearing caches may remove unsaved files. Re-editing. Saved media can be edited using tools like Photoshop. Part 2. Tutorial to back up WeChat media files on Web WeChat. Step 1. Open a browser Firefox Chrome and visit the WeChat web page. Log into WeChat on your phone. Go to Discover, select Scan QR code, and scan the code on the web page to log in. Step 2. Send files to yourself. Open the chat with the files to back up. Long press the media. Select Send to Chat for one file or more to select multiple. Click the Share button, choose a new chat, and send to yourself or file transfer. Step 3. Backup to computer. Open Web WeChat on your PC to view the sent media. Right-click on images or videos and select Download. Check the files in this PC local disk. See users your name downloads.